We had the best B'nai Mitzvah ever! Spotlight was awesome.
It was so awesome. I love that there was always surprises. Like, you always planned something, and then all of a sudden they do something that's so much better than what you planned.
I thought the party was awesome, and all of our friends all came up to me and said, great job, and that was an awesome party. I also loved the video wall. It gave such enthusiasm to all the songs, and it made people want to sing to them and not just sit on the sidelines.
I think this was probably the first bar mitzvah that I heard from all the kids that nobody left the room, not for once. The visuals were amazing, the lighting was amazing, but a lot of it had to do with the communication that I had with the DJ. We talked and communicated everything that I needed. He never made me feel worried. The minute I walked in this room, it was all in his hands.
We were only able to do this once because we have two boys getting a bar mitzvah at the same time. And we looked at a number of different DJs and we decided to go with Joel. And we now had this party. It was even better than I expected. It was fantastic.